Newly constructed 3/2/2 home in a conveniently located neighborhood. Built by one of the area's premier home builders, this spacious energy-efficient home features tile flooring, quartz counters, and custom wood cabinetry. Has an open floor plan with a dining area and kitchen off of the central living area, and the master suite is in the rear. There is a large covered rear patio for entertaining, and all-new stainless kitchen appliances. Convey. A.J. Perez project. The Villas at Santander is an exclusive community comprised of 28 home sites, all of which will feature homes by this builder, so quality and your peace of mind will be the result. It is located on Laredo Road, with easy access to the Expressway and within close proximity to schools, shopping, entertainment, and medical facilities.